Alright, big snowstorm, 2011. I'm ready. I'm going out. We'll see what it looks like. I got a little bit of snow here. Oh my. Had a pretty good drift there. Neighbor's got a drift. This is my 55 Buick weather door here. When there's snow on it, I know it's cold and snowy. When it's wet, I know it's raining. And if I come out here and it's gone, I know we've had a tornado. It's still here, so the winds weren't that bad. We'll walk to the backyard here. I got a good drift right there. Almost over the fence here. Well, I can't get in the shed. Good thing I put the snowblower in the garage. Of course, you probably can't see. There's about 4 foot of snow. As you can see, I can't even up to my knees here. Okay, here's the back of the house. Looks like our roof doesn't have too much snow on it. But we did get kind of blasted up against the back of our house here. So that's kind of bad. Our steps are there somewhere. Alright. I'm going to swing back around. That's what's going on there. I'm going to try to make it to the front of the house here. Go through this big drift. Still windier than heck out here. I'm going to go around the front here. See what I can see. There's a neighbor's car. Okay. Here we go. Got a real nice drift here. It looks like it's going to wreck our bushes here. They're kind of smashed down. And the footsteps. You can see them kind of. Okay. Well, not as bad as I thought. It's got a good one here. Kind of goes out the back. Oh, I guess I can't get through there. Alright. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty deep here. Well, that's pretty cool. Kind of went right around the house here. The car. Oh, okay, there's a 3 foot drift. I gotta get the snowblower out, get that cleaned up. But fortunately, our vehicle is buried. Very good. That's probably the biggest drift we got right there. So, there it is. Big snowstorm of 2011. Adios.